Tēnā koe Amelia, tēnā koutou katoa. I would highly recommend that you take Amelia's course. The beginner level course for me is what I took. In my opinion, it's never too late, nor are you ever too old to really take a good think about the level of speaking Te Reo Māori. I lovingly say that I had no problem realizing that I need as much help as I can. And in this day and age, doing this online is the next best thing. So that way you can reach everybody. Amelia was transparent. Amelia was also very engaging and encouraging everybody to reach her should you have any problems. The course outline might have looked like a whole lot of information, but when you take a good look at how she set it out and what it consists of, all it took was to actually put it together, come together in a ropu, in a group, and we all share this experience together. I think a lot of us being Māori get very whakamā, very shy to kōrero Māori, no matter how much or how little you know. What I love is the group that I did the beginner level with. We were all in the same boat. You know, we were wanting to learn. It wasn't about, you know, looking at somebody else and thinking, oh my gosh. It wasn't like that at all. I think all of us in our group, or in my group, with Amelia, we were there to learn. We were there to share. We were there to tautoko, and we were there with Amelia. So if you're thinking, or maybe scratching your head a little bit and thinking, shouldn't I, I would recommend that you just put that aside, give her a chance. Give yourself a chance. Let her show you how you can get started on learning Te Reo Māori. After all, we're in this together. So I hope this helps you. For me, it's opened up a whole other way of approaching our Te Reo Māori, and not being so shy, you know. So thank you, Amelia, for giving this opportunity online. Thank you for making it easy. Thank you for the hard yards and the hard work that you put in preparation to pull the beginners level course together. I hope you do it. Kia ora koutou katoa.